Hi and welcome to my channel Hidden Tourist. Today we are in Sandiego and visiting the Gaslamp Quarter. The Gaslamp Quarter in Sandiego, specifically Fifth Avenue, is a vibrant and historic neighborhood known for its rich culture, entertainment and nightlife. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you explore this iconic area. The Gaslamp Quarter is a 16-block neighborhood in downtown Sandiego, bounded by Broadway to north, Harbor Drive to the south, 4th Avenue to the east, and 6th Avenue to the west. 5th Avenue is the main street running through the heart of this quarter. Visiting Sandiego is incomplete without visiting this beautiful street. I would like you to keep this in your bucket list whenever you are visiting Sandiego. Let's talk about the history of this beautiful avenue. The Gaslamp Quarter was established in 1860 as Sandiego's first new town. It was a hub for gambling, prostitution, and vice during the late 19th century. In the 80s and 90s, the area underwent significant revitalization, transforming this into thriving entertainment and district as it is today. It's very easy to cover all these beautiful areas of Sandiego in a day trip, which includes Seaport Village, Little India, Little Italy, Gaslamp Quarter, and Sunset Boulevard. Fifth Avenue and surrounding streets offers incredible range of dining options, which also includes halal option. The Blind Bureau, Banda Restaurant, Lion's Share, Analog, Altitude Sky Lounge, the Oceaneer Seafood Room, Tin Roof, Dick's Last Resort, and the Urban India in which I'm standing right now. There are other multiple options also for good food, including the halal options. Don't forget to watch till last. I have some night shots also which are mesmerizing and beautiful. Walking in the Gaslamp Quarter is highly pedestrian free. As you can see, the streets are blocked for transportation and any vehicles. I am enjoying the super weather. The weather is constant and in Celsius the weather is between 16 to 24 and not more than that in summers or winter. It's quite constant. The Gaslamp Quarter is generally safe with a visible police presence. However, be aware of your surroundings, especially at night. The Gaslamp Quarter, particularly Fifth Avenue, offers an unforgettable experience. With its rich history, diverse dining options, and vibrant nightlife. Enjoy your visit. The Gaslamp Quarter is famous for its lively bars, clubs, and lounges attracting visitors from all over the world. Sandiego, known for its year-round mild climate, stunning beaches, and abundance of attractions. And this Fifth Avenue is top of the list when coming to Sandiego. I would like you to watch this video till end to enjoy the nightlife of Sandiego's Gaslamp Quarter. Right now, the voiceover is quite over. Everything is provided with detailed information. And thank you for visiting my channel. Keep watching. Bye bye.